my friends. Today I am going to quickly demonstrate how do you update the Edulator. Now this is a very small step of 30 seconds, but many people are getting confused with the steps. And yes, we are in the developing stage, and soon we will have a lot of auto updates coming up in the software. But it's a one simple manual step of copy and paste. So today I am going to demonstrate you firstly how to verify whether there are any updates for the Edulator. At the same time, how do you quickly update the Edulator? So let me share the screen and show you how do we do that. So firstly, through the start menu, I'll go to the Edulator software. And I go in the about us section. Now currently I see my version is 1.0.0.3, and I'll click on check for updates. As soon as I click on check for updates, I understand this version, that is 2.0.0, is higher than this version. That means my software needs to be upgraded. Now how do we do that? Simply I click on this arrow, yellow or ochre color arrow, and there will be a window which will pop up saying that download is completed. Yes, now you can see that the users Ankit downloads, and this is the path where the software is downloaded. So maybe if you don't remember the path, simply go in your download section. So I click here on OK, and now I have downloaded the update. So the first thing is I need to close the Edulator. We cannot update the Edulator if it is running. So I will stop this application. I'll go in downloads and I find a file 2.0.zip. I'll just cut this file from here. I'll take to some another location, D drive. I will create a folder, for example, name as Edulator, or you can just directly paste the file. I'll use the folder system. Now I have downloaded the file. Now this is a zip file. So maybe you have WinZip, 7-zip and different applications to unzip this file. I use 7-zip. The link is mentioned in the description below. Maybe even you can use that. Now I'll right click this 7-zip, extract here. When I click on extract here, I can see a folder being created with the same file name, and it has two files, edulator.bll.dll and edulator.exe. Now what is the next step? And yes, the next step is the last step. It was a small step. I go to the folder in my C drive where this application is defaultly installed. If you have installed this application on any of your customized folder like D drive, E drive, then you need to check. But if you have not changed anything, done a simple installation, then here is the next step. I will go open my computer in another window, go on C drive, program files x86. Then there will be a folder name as HiFinance. I'll double click on that. Then there is a folder name as Edulator. Now as soon as you click on Edulator, you will see a lot of files. Now what is to be done? You go back to the previous folder where you have unzipped these files, copy these files, come back to this folder and paste. Now it will ask you, do you want to replace files in the destination? Yes, we are going to replace this. So let's click on the replace icon. It will ask us, you will need to provide administrator permissions. So you just simply click on do this for all items if it pops and press continue. Now you can see that files are updated here. You can see this file were updated on 7th of September at this and this time, and now you have the latest files here. Now what do you do next? You will now close this window, even you will close the another window and go back and come to the Edulator. As soon as you run this application, this application is open here, and now let us see something. What is my version now? It is 2.0.0.0, and now I am checking again for updates. My version is same, so that means I am running on the latest version. And what's the surprise in the latest version? This is the biggest surprise in 2.0. We have come up with EMI calculator in 2.0, and there are few more new surprises coming ahead by this month. So you can start working with Edulator's EMI calculator and generate different kind of scenarios and help your clients. So enjoy using Edulator. This is a simple step to update your Edulator, and all the links and some information is mentioned in the description below. Please like and subscribe for getting the updates regarding the Edulator that are coming in the further days. Thank you.